Hi YouTube, this is Paulette with Love Skin Hair and Garden. I just wanted to showcase what is growing in my garden, what I'm experimenting with. I think in this video, this is going to be about my mangoes. This is my Pickering mango. I just recently ordered this. It came like with these leaves, but now I see like new growth on it. And this is a mango I started from seed, the Haitian mango from seed. This is another mango. I think this is my rosy gold mango. Then another Haitian mango from seed. This is two Nam.mais. Okay, one here and another one here. Hi again, I'm in another location, and this is more Haitian mangoes from seed. These are from the same seed. I just separated them. Then I have two more here that need to be separated. A couple that needs to be separated. And some more need to be separated. And this one gave me one, but it seems to be struggling. And that's it for my mango collection. So one Pickering, one Rosy Gold, two Nam.mais, and some that I started from seed, the Haitian mango. Thank you for watching.